You sing. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on our channel. Tonight we're going out for a family event. We made a little plans, so we're going out for bowling tonight. So this is a fit check. So I'm wearing a sweater and jeans. You guys are gonna see those later. So just getting ready, and we're just gonna chill for a bit at home, and then we'll head out. Oh, so we're at the bowling alley. Wow, do you like it? Come here, this side. Justin is excited to play the games here. Hi. Look. Okay guys, so we need to go get the shoes. So this is a lineup to go. Okay, so we're here to get our shoes. Yeah. Devin, hey guys, so we're at the bowling alley. I just had to keep out back because I forgot something in the car, so just make a quick run out. It's super loud in there. I probably need to put on my microphone, so I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can hear what we're saying. Justin wanna play here now. Let's go, Jess. Justin made a perfect a knockdown there. You're going again. Go, go. You're knocking down the last two. Let's see. Let's go, Justin. Let's go, Justin. Yay! Good job, Justin. Mom. Wait, leave it. Leave it. Ashley, turn now. Two time again. Justin, wait. You're playing everybody turn. You have to wait. Yeah, no. Somebody named M. Who named M? Oh. Yeah, you got knocked out. Yay. Oh, Lord. Justin. Mom turn now. Wait. Mom turn, wait. Wait, you go get your turn just now. Take off your jacket, you're gonna feel hot. Take off your jacket. You're gonna get your turn. No. Just I wanna take everyone's turn right now. Yeah, you're gonna have your turn. My turn now? It's soon, very soon. Wait, now you turn yet? You turn. Hey. Justin playing. Wait. Justin's playing everyone's spot right now. So I don't know what's going on. Everybody's enjoying. Justin is butting everyone. Your turn didn't reach yet, okay? 1 second. It didn't reach yet, baby. Avidan, are you clapping? Good job. Good job, Justin. Good job. Yay. Come again, Justin. Go again. Come, bring your ball. Go. come down. Yay, good job! Come, you turn, you over there. Good job, good job. Good job. Good job. Aria Justin score. Good job. Stacy, turn now. Come, I took up again. I like bowling. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. Yes, strike! This is the table we have here. Tower. Ari! Hi. Go put the ball, Justin. Go put the ball. Hold it. Yeah. Careful, careful. You gotta hold it with. Yeah. With. Good. Uh-oh. You got it wrong. Alright, come. You're done now. Go take a picture. Sorry, no. Here.
You get one more shot here. Remember this? Yeah, you get one more shot. Vai trabalhar.
The thing. Look. Look. Mom turn. Oh Lord. Everybody high on this game. Give one more try, one more try. Yes, sing. You're dancing. Let's go. Go, Justin, go. Go, Justin, go. Yay! High five. You, let's see. Whee! Good job.